So I asked ChatGPT, like, hey, where are the best taco spots in LA? And today I have Evel Moshpot,
How's it
and
going,
we're
guys?
gonna go and try some good tacos around LA.
We'll see if ChatGPT can decide better than local LA people.
Our first spot.
I feel like if it's not a taco truck, it's not legit.
Hola. Tres tacos
Hola.
al pastor, por favor.
Right? So when I went back to Mongolia for like 3 months,
Mm-hmm.
swear to God, after the first 2 weeks, I just
This
wanted,
is
I
what
just
you
wanted
miss,
a
right?
damn taco.
Yep.
I just wanted a damn burrito, and I was
Yep.
like, can I just?
Sometimes
get,
I dream about
yeah.
tacos when I'm in Mongolia.
If all 5 of these places are good, and it doesn't have to be the best I've ever tried, but like freaking good, then at the very least you can ask ChatGPT for something when you're traveling around, and you can expect not to be disappointed. So that's going to be a really interesting test as well. So this comes with vegetables, lemon, onions and cilantro, salsa verde, salsa rojo, radish. What is more appetizing? Okay, some people like to eat with their mouths closed. Some people just go. Do you find that appetizing? Let us know. Cheers. This is like a very simple, straightforward taco, right? It's exactly what you expect, with nothing, no crazy stuff, no like extra things on top of it, but it's just well done. Simple recipe, masterfully done. And I feel like there's always a time and place for it to eat, go back to how it's supposed to be. All right, Leo's Tacos, ChatGPT, got it right, 1 out of 1. Let's go to the next one. AI is the future.
Yeah.
It is though. Hey, I got a random fact for you guys. Did you know that taco cat spelled backwards is taco cat?
We're nearing downtown. All right, we're at Quesados. Spot number 2.
This is a quickly expanding, very delicious, handmade taco place.
Horchata. Nothing looks regular, right? But then they said this is for Dodgers game for today.
Oh, so blue horchata for the Dodgers. Let's go. Cheers. Fire. That hits the spot right now.
All right, so here we have our steak picado, bistec in salsa roja, mole,
Tinga de pollo.
tinga de pollo.
That one is chicharron, and the middle one is cochinita. These are mini sampler tacos. Here's This is the cochinita pibil.
Muy rico.
No napkins.
Chicharrón.
I really like the mole poblano. That was really good. If we were to describe Leo's as like simple tacos done right, this would be bomb tacos. Flavor explosion to the max.
And you definitely feel like it's slowly braised, like that stewy flavor.
Comfort food taco done bomb style, like the really bomb. If you eat this at like 1 in the morning, you're gonna be like good for the rest of the night, or any time of the day. I would say ChatGPT is 2 out of 2 right now. This one is definitely a
These are one
winner.
of the best. Okay, Santa Monica or Venice?
No, actually Santa Monica. It's bigger. There's more.
Koreatown or Silver Lake?
Koreatown, because I know it better.
Koreatown or South Central?
Koreatown for sure.
Koreatown or downtown?
Koreatown,
Okay.
because it's open later.
Koreatown or Los Feliz?
If I'm trying to eat, then Koreatown. If I'm trying to live, then Los Feliz.
How about just late night drinks?
Koreatown.
Okay.
Don't underestimate the Asian establishments.
Koreatown or Beverly Hills? To live.
To live, Beverly Hills.
You.
To drink and go out?
If to drink and go out, then Koreatown for sure, right?
Yeah, depending on what type of drinking you're trying to do. ChatGPT versus reality. If it's 3 out of 3, I just might start trusting ChatGPT more than real people. Do you like ChatGPT? Do you believe ChatGPT is delicious? No, ChatGPT is an AI. It cannot be delicious, but it can pick delicious food for you.
So it's your first time. I want to see your reaction first.
My reaction, I'm gonna take the one in the middle. First bite, I'm gonna bite it as is. Cheers. Immediately, I taste the beef, the grilled flavor of beef. It's like eating like a really well cooked, nicely done steak, but it's a taco. Nicely flavored, not too fatty, not too lean steak. Had a baby with a taco, it would be this one.
Even when you're just biting, the smoke gets in your nostrils. Oh God!
This medley of wonder, and it's working really fine. It's actually really good.
Yeah.
I like it. Your taste buds are just like whoa.
And I've heard the cattle eats like really cool herbs of Mexico, like in the northern climate. So the taste of those herbs, I think, already is in the beef.
Oh, what? So far, ChatGPT has been 3 for 3. Let's see if it's gonna go for 4 for 4.
Can you ever get tired of tacos?
No.
Oh damn! People are like.
Oh, that's just on fire.
Wow, we are on Skid Row right now, and I saw some people making some fire because it's a very cold night in LA.
This is like Arts District area, I believe.
Yeah, what do you think of Arts District?
It's cool.
So ChatGPT told me to come to La Reina Tacos. It's supposed to be somewhere here, but actually when I researched, it says temporarily closed. So to give you some context, La Reina was featured on Anthony Bourdain's Parts Unknown, and I found a blog about this guy who was hunting the La Reina tacos, and he, like me, came to Arts District and started asking questions, started asking people where he can get the tacos, and he never found it because they closed. Alright, we're at the El Chato on La Brea and Olympic, our number 4 spot.
This one looks like no frills, but these are the places that are like really good, so I'm looking forward to it.
Ooh!
Look at this plate, it looks fire. A little bit of lemon on my lime on my al pastor. There you go. We're gonna cheers. Let's go.
Oh yeah. I've heard a lot of people come here after their night out in Hollywood. I see that.
At this time of the night, this is the place that hits the spot. It's fire. I would recommend it. The slight, if you will, mildness of the flavor. And I don't want to use that phrase, but I'm just going to use it for lack of a better word. It's not mild in flavor in any way, but it was not as like explosive as some of the other places, and that's not a bad thing. I think that's a really good thing. Last stop.
Last stop. What else do you know about this truck?
I don't know a lot, so I'm not on social
Do you
media
know
that
Roy
much.
Choi?
Yeah. It's his thing, right?
How many tacos can you eat in a day?
If whatever's entering me an equal amount of mass is exiting, I can eat a lot. The one dish or the one type of food I can eat a lot of is sushi. Yes. I will sit there and eat a lot. Every time I go to my go-to spot, I eat until the chef goes, okay, that's enough. Okay, there we go.
All right.
Hola. Okay, this looks pretty fire though.
This is your first time.
First time ever.
As well.
Okay. Oh no, this is gonna be messy.
Yeah, it's.
Oh my god.
I like your expression. You look like you're like discovering some type of a new taste there. This is the most beautiful marriage, Korean and Mexican.
It was a very familiar like Asian flavor, like Korean flavor, but it was a taco. And it's something that happens in America. I feel like when I first moved out to America, I felt like yo, because I'm Mongolian, right? And I'm like, am I Mongolian? Am I American now? But then you look, you go, I'm Mongolian American. Just like that, it's like, is this Korean? Is this Mexican? It's Korean Mexican or Mexican Korean, right? So it's a new type of dish that can only come to be because of the history of this city or places like this. And this one works. Some people might not like it. I get it. But
No way.
flavors are strong, really strong. Maybe even too strong for me, but it works. I would definitely come back over here. Now, it's the thing I want to do is I want to check out the rest of the menu. What else is out there, right? Not just this food truck, but also like in the city of LA. What else is out there that is new that I have not tasted before as well?
All right, so these were the top 5 best taco spots in LA, and
According
what you
to
think?
ChatGPT,
Yeah.
I like them. All of the places were pretty good hits. There were the number 1 and number 4 spots were really good stable spots. They're no frills taco places that always deliver. Guisaros was a really nice bomb spot, and the third one, I forget which one it was.
Sonora Town.
Sonora Town, that steak taco, delicious. And finally, at Kogi, we got the mix of the Korean and the Mexican flavor, which was a really pleasant surprise as well. So for me, it was a 5 out of 5 as far as ChatGPT goes. One of the things you gotta look into is ChatGPT may make certain mistakes because it is an algorithm. There was one restaurant or taco truck that we went to. What was it called? La Reina, and then it wasn't there. Maybe it's permanently closed, but ChatGPT recommended to us. So before you go anywhere, make sure you do a little research, make sure all the businesses are open, the hours are correct as well.
But also, I will want to come up with my own list that can also showcase LA in a very different light. And, you know,
Yeah.
like always the best spots are the less popular ones, I feel like. But from this list, I really go to Sonora Town a lot. I always like really, you know, crave the beef and like the flavor.
The steak flavor,
Yeah.
that's so good.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next episode. She's gonna make her own list and gonna check out the places that she thinks is gonna be really good. Let's see if we can make that juxtaposition between the ChatGPT list and Mel's own actual list as well.
If you like this video, go and check out my other LA video on my channel, and see you soon.